Like orange and yellow make, I don't know. No, they don't make anything. Orange and red make, I'm not the science teacher, okay? Welcome back to another session of Arm & Hammer Summer Camp, the camp for kids that's made for you. Today we're celebrating all things color, if you couldn't tell, by making our very own chalk paint. Here's what you're gonna need. This project is a great twist on drawing with chalk, and it might just buy you enough time to organize that junk drawer that you've been avoiding. To get started, I'm gonna combine water with cornstarch and mix them until smooth. I find that just using a kitchen whisk is a great way to do this. Next up, I'm going to add in some Arm & Hammer baking soda and stir until they're all combined. Now, divide the mixture evenly into small plastic cups. Once you pour the mixture into the cups, make sure to keep stirring so those ingredients don't settle. You can then add food coloring, and this is a great time to play around with color theory. Use some primary colors, mix them up to make new colors, like red and yellow make orange. Now it's time to get colorful. Use paintbrushes to paint pictures on a chalkboard, the sidewalk, or even the driveway outside. Remember, this mixture is runnier than usual, but just apply it like you would regular paint. When the paint dries, it'll be just like regular sidewalk chalk, and it'll wash off with rain or a garden hose. What an awesome way to add color to your day. Thanks so much for joining me, and remember, here at Arm & Hammer Summer Camp, we're offering tons of project ideas, so use them in a way that works with your schedule. Use them all in one day or spread them out over a few weeks. Thanks so much for joining me, and I'll see you next time. Bye.